back to our page. Today we are going to be talking about the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 grounding technique. So let's talk a little bit about it. It's a simple and easy way to kind of help control anxiety when it's just gone off the rails. If you'd like, you can follow along as we walk through this practice. So to get a comfortable position, either laying down or seated, nice and tall in your chair. And again, as always, you can close your eyes if you wish, just to make this practice a little bit more comfortable. But I'd like you to start by taking a nice deep breath in, hold it, and release. Again, in, hold it, and release. And we're going to start by looking around our room. You can look around my room if that's easier, or you can look around the room that you're centered in. And I want you to say 5 things that you can see. You can either say this in your mind or you can say it out loud, whatever you find most comforting. And I'll give you a second to do that. Now, we're going to bring our attention back and we're going to find 4 things that we can feel. So, this can be blankets, pillow, the texture of our own skin, whatever it is, name 4 things. Now I'm going to invite you to find 3 things in the room that you can hear. Yeah. You might be able to hear my soundscape in the background, any noise that you can hear in the city street, in the house, anything that you can hear. And just take a second to focus in on that. All right. Now we're going to do our second to last one, which is finding 2 things in the room that you can smell. So this can be candle, the smell of food cooking in the house, anything you can find that would be a smell. So take a second and focus in on 2 things you can smell. All right, friends, this is our last one. We're going to focus in on something you can taste. So this might be a piece of gum that you have somewhere that you can pop in your mouth and taste the minty flavor. Um, you might have a drink next to you that you can focus in on the flavor of your drink. But whatever it is, just take a second and focus in on the taste of something within the room. All right, friends, now we're going to do one nice deep breath in again. Hold it and exhale. And that was our simple and easy 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 grounding. Hopefully that was helpful for you. If you enjoyed the soundscape that I've been playing, this is on the Calm app. We also have a list of resources, apps, and tools that we recommend here at Culture of Therapy. It is on our website, www.cultureoftherapy.com. You'll go into the corner and you'll click resources, and it'll be under our apps and tools. So feel free to go in there, check out the link, and check out some of the resources that we provide. Maybe it can help you along your journey while you're just getting your feet on the ground. Well, thank you so much for your time, and we welcome you back for the next one. Bye.